Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about something that is very important for achieving healthy, beautiful hair. As someone who is passionate about hair care, I have noticed that many of us are making mistakes that can damage our hair and prevent it from looking its best. In this video, I'll be discussing about 10 common hair care mistakes that you might be making and how to fix them. So let's get started. Mistake number one, using the wrong shampoo. Using the wrong shampoo can strip your hair of its natural oil, leading to dryness, dandruff, and other hair problems. To fix this, make sure to choose a shampoo that's make sure to use a shampoo that is formulated for your hair type. For example, if you have dry hair, look for a moisturizing shampoo. If you have oily hair, look for clarifying shampoo. Mistake number two, not conditioning enough. Conditioning is an essential step in any hair care routine. It helps to look in moisture, reduce tangle, and add shine to your hair. To fix this, make sure to condition your hair every time you wash it and leave the conditioner on for at least 30 seconds before rinsing. Mistake number three, using heat styling tools too frequently. Styling tools like flat iron, coily iron, and blow dryer can damage your hair and cause breakage. To fix this, try to limit your use of heat styling tools to once, twice a week, and always use a heat protectant spray to help shield your hair from damage. Mistake number four, not getting regular trims. Getting regular trims can help to prevent split ends, breakage, and other problems. To fix this, try to get a trim every 6 to 8 weeks or as needed. Mistake number five, using the wrong comb or brush. Using the wrong comb or brush can cause tangles, breakage, and other problems. To fix this, try using a wide tooth comb or a soft bristled brush which are gentle on hair. Mistake number six, not protecting your hair from the sun. The sun ultraviolet rays can damage your hair and cause color fade. To fix this, try using a hat or a hair product with SPF to protect your hair from the sun. Mistake number seven, my darlings, not drinking enough water. Drinking enough water is essential for healthy hair growth. To fix this, try to drink at least 8 cups of water a day and avoid sugary drinks that can dehydrate you. Mistake number eight, not eating a balanced diet. Balanced diet, we have protein, carbohydrates, mineral salt, fat and oil, vitamins, water. Eat balanced diet. Eating a balanced diet that is rich in vitamins and mineral is essential for healthy hair growth. To fix this, try to eat diets that include plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Mistake number nine, not getting enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is essential for healthy hair growth. To fix this, try to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep a night and establish a consistent sleep routine. And the last one I'll be talking about is not being gentle when towel drying. Being rough when towel drying your hair can cause breakage and tangle. To fix this, try to be gentle when towel drying your hair and avoid rubbing your hair with towel. Instead, gently blow your hair with the towel to remove excess moisture. And there you have it, guys. 10 common hair care mistakes that you might be making and how to fix them. By avoiding this mistake, by avoiding these mistakes, I can assure you that this can help you to keep your hair healthy, strong, and looking its best. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more hair care tips and tricks. Bye.